Hey guys, welcome to another show. JB here. Excited you're with me as always. This is a place for energy, ideas, and just some fun stuff. Today, my buddy sent me over the Masters tournament kind of pool that we're in. And so I got to pick the golfers that are going to win. And so what I thought I would do is show you how I use the Quirk Logic paper to mark up a PDF and then send it to my buddies so I can win some money this weekend. This is going to be a live, real action kind of filming, right? So I'm just going to do it and show you. We're going to go on the computer, go on the paper, and then show you how I mark up a PDF real quick and then send it back out. So let's just jump into it. By the way, if you don't mind hitting that like button, it helps the algorithm get this out to the world as we're building this channel, and I appreciate you. All right, let's get into it. Okay. So as we come in here, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my desktop and I am going to drag this PDF that they sent me to mark up. I'm going to create that. Now, one of the things with the paper, it does create its own kind of file, and it did that. So it came in, I have the master's document here. I am now going to go to my library manager on the paper. We'll go in the paper now, and I'm going to go ahead and find that document. And I found it here, and we're going to go ahead and go in there. And now it's loading that document up. And now we have it. Okay, it is the other side, so I'm going to flip the paper around so that I can mark this up. I'm going to go ahead and click an ink color. Let's go ahead and go with red. And let's pick our Masters champion this year. So I'm going to go DeChambeau. We'll circle him with the first one. I'm going to click Bubba Watson with the next one. I'm going to click Wolf with my next one, and you can see it actually marking up on the screen at the same time, which is so cool. I'm going to go ahead and go to, let's see, who else do we want here? We want Scott here, and then I'm going to go with, let's go ahead and go with Ricky Fowler for the heck of it. And then my wild card is going to be Sebastian Munoz. Got to go Colombian there. Munoz, okay? And then I'm going to put my name on here, J.B. Glossinger. Okay, so you see we now have it all set up. Okay, we're ready to go. And what's cool is, if one of the things that's cool about the paper in their software is if you go to the iPad and I actually look for that same thing, I can open up the document and you can see the exact document is there. I can actually mark it up with the iPad if I wanted to. I can actually put some stuff there, and you can see it goes on the computer. It's just wonderful technology. I love their software. But we're not here to talk about the iPad. We're just talking about the paper. But it is nice that you can mark it up. But since that is marked up and I'm ready to go, basically then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and turn the paper around. I'm going to go ahead and hit export. Okay, and I'm going to export it as a PDF. Okay, so it's going. So now all of a sudden it's ready, it's heading out of the system. It says, how many of the pages do I want to select? I want to select that page. I'm going to go ahead and send it to Google Drive instead of Dropbox, and we will call this, let's call it Masters. So I'm just going to come in here and put M-A-S and then T and E-R. Where's my E? A, B, C, D, E. Where is my E? I just call it Mass because we want to keep moving here. I'm going to export that. So it's exporting right now, as you can see. Okay, document has been exported. Let's now go into Google Drive. From the document here into Google Drive, we will look into the folder. I just put in Quirk Logic folder, but it's right here. And you can see that now I have a PDF, everything I've seen, Sebastian Munoz, all my people that I've picked. And then what I'm going to do is just download this right here. I'm going to show in Finder. Let's go ahead and bring it over into here. I'm going to rename it. Rename. J.B. Glossinger Masters. Okay, and then if we double click that, you're going to see, let me bring it over here, that we have the markup completed. I'll flip it around, and there you can see I am ready to go. Pretty cool stuff. So you can see that that's how you mark up a document with the paper device, and you can use it on, you can use their system to mark it up. You can use an iPad. Once you have it in their software, the Quirk Logic app, you don't even need a paper, really. You can actually use their app to mark things up. In fact, that's one of the things we're doing with my new coaching system is to use it as a markup tool, and we're using their app. So it's really cool to be able to use their system and do some pretty cool stuff with it. Like I said, hey, I'm live on Thursdays. Would love to have you come by 1800 GMT time or 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I'm going to keep bringing you some interesting videos and some live use cases. So here was marking up a PDF that I'm getting ready to use for the Masters, who I'm picking to win the Masters, and sending it off to buddies with red ink. Pretty cool thing. All right, as always, if you don't mind leaving some comments below, what do you think? What are you using your devices for? Any questions for me? Leave them down below, and I will make sure I get to them. But more importantly, go have a fantastic day. And until the next video tomorrow, just go do it. Love life, have fun, and put some energy out there. All right, thanks for watching. We'll see you here tomorrow.